Okay, no coaching. Okay, para po sa kalaman ng lahat, ang point fighting kickboxing, ito po ang ating ginawang exhibition games during the 2025 Patarong Pambansa held in Mawag City, Ilocos Norte. At ito rin po ang gagawin natin sa Abusan del Sur 2026 Patarong Pambansa. One point blue. 1 point red. Point blue, time, and round one. Great fight, ladies. Galing na mga bata natin. Palakpakan naman natin sila para mas lumakas pa ang loob. Mahirap po, actually, parang napakadali yung nasa mats, ano po. Pero pag tumuntong tayo sa mats or sa ring, iba po yung pagkiramdam. Kaya, brave warriors. We have our brave warriors here. Score, red for 3 for red, 4 for blue. So we have 3-4 in favor of blue. Seconds out. Lamang ng 1 point si blue. So tingnan natin, makakahabol kaya si red. Two. No score. One point, blue. No score. One point, blue. One point, blue. No score. Okay, so red got 7 points, blue got 7 points, so we have a draw. So we'll have a 1 minute additional round. Rest muna kayo ng 1 minute, 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. So ganyan po ang rule natin. So 2 rounds na tayo, pero pag nagtabla, meron po tayo 1 minute additional round. Nagtabla pa rin, we will have 7-10. So paunahan ng score. Okay, we have a deciding match, deciding round, I mean. 1 point blue. 1 point blue. 1 point blue. Stop time. I encourage all the parents who are here, please, dalhin ninyo yung mga bata sa sports. Mas maganda po na sa sports ang mga bata kaysa nakababad sa mga gadgets. One point blue. Sports builds character, also builds confidence to our children. So, with them to sports, especially in martial arts. Sino kaya ang nagwagi? And kindly with the headgear, let's check the scores. Alright, let's announce the winner. May we invite our two warriors at the center. And we have a winner with a score of 8-11 at the blue corner. Pauline Emmanuel Albino from Cabuelan, Cebu.